give you a look at my pack out here today, what I carried out here. And I'm using the Mil-Tec assault pack. I got a couple of videos back doing a review on this, if you want to go take a look at that. But again, give you a little review, show you what I'm carrying in this. This is the most I've ever packed it out, so I have it fairly well loaded, carried well. And I don't want to make this a full review. I just kind of want to show you what I got in here and what I'm carrying for the night out. I'm going to start with, I have down here where I showed how I attached the MSS, where I did the adjustments to carry the MSS. Well, I'm carrying my wool blanket there. Of course, I will probably not need it, but I'm going to use that to throw out here, and we'll open up the pack and show you what's in it. I had it packed fairly well, and so I got to a point where I could not really get anything else in it. I would like to have carried my camera inside, but I put it on a carabiner along with my hat. I don't wear a hat a lot, but I may wear that. Gets a little warm out here. Here with its MOLLE attachments is just a plastic bag of some odd and end stuff that I threw together that I might have wanted. And plastic bags are a must when you go out, carry your junk out. And here I just have a pair of shorts and some aluminum foil. Oh yeah, a couple potatoes I've already robbed out of our garden. I'll have that with my chicken. On the side I've got my water bladder attached with the side straps. And I'm going to go down a little bit and get some water. I've actually already taken some water and put into a couple containers that I've taken out of here already. And I filled up. Well, let's start here in the front. Here in the front, I have my bug spray and all of my first aid kit. I'm not going to pull all that out, but have my first aid equipment in there. Here, toilet paper. Another thing of ramens I had actually forgotten in there last time. Handy dandy tissue wipes. And then a couple more flashlights. A lighter. Pair of tweezers. Never no splinters, ticks. And I've kept that separate so it's easier to get to from my first aid kit. And I've got a fork there, and I have another fork in my kit, but I have a habit of losing them, so I brought an extra. Okay, then in the next compartment, I have an empty water bottle. Two different reasons. One, for cooking, I can use this as a measurement, and also, of course, just solid for carrying water, you know. But I brought an empty water bottle along. I'll go down and fill it up, and I'd rather do that than carry several bottles of water and trying to pack them in here. And I have some reading materials that I brought along with me, the Constitution, a book by John Bunyan I wanted to read, and my Bible. Some odd and end change of clothing. I'm not going to drag all that out, underwear and whatnot. We've got a nice pack in here with my chicken that I'm going to cook, and along with that chicken I have some seasoning that is made from 7 different hot peppers. So I'm going to use that on my chicken. We'll keep it in there, hopefully it'll stay cold. And then on the main pack I have the top. We'll lay this open. Here I have another bag. As I said, you can never do without enough plastic bags to carry out your garbage in the woods. Some more top ramen noodles, some sardines. Yeah, I like sardines. Salt, sunflower seeds, I gotta have them. Then in my main compartment, gloves. You know, as I said, it's 97 degrees out. I think it may be hotter. I haven't checked. with a heat index of 109 to 114 today. Why leather gloves? Cutting wood, hauling wood, taking stuff off the fire. Good to have. Then in my main pack I have my tarp, my hammock, a couple tea bags that I threw in there that actually I forgot I had carried in my pocket, so I stuffed them in there. My hammock, as I was saying, my 2 cooking kits with some coffee and some creamer. And there's that other tea bag. A kit my wife bought me. I'm bringing it. I was going to bring just a plate. She had bought that for me, so I'm going to make sure I bring it along. Thank you, dear. Cordage. And then on the outside I have my canteen. Then I've got an e-tool pouch, which I used, since I knew I was not going to need a shovel up here, to bring my jerky, breakfast skillet. Never had Mountain House. We're going to find out what that's like. Rice and chicken. And sweet and sour pork. I'm not sure if I'll eat all of that. Of course, you know that's quite a bit. But depending on how long I'm here tomorrow, we have one for breakfast, one for lunch, and then one for supper, or lunch this afternoon. I'll have my chicken, of course, this evening. But that's what I packed out here. Hope I'm not rambling too much. It's a little warm. I'm going to try and get back over in the shade and cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to go get some more water. Thanks for watching.